Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you the song The Blessing from Elevation Worship. As always, I'm going to play through the song for you first, and then at the end of it I'll break it down for you and explain it to you in more detail, so make sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
The Lord bless you and keep you, make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. The Lord bless you and keep you, make His face shine upon you and be gracious to you. The Lord turn His face toward you and give you peace. Amen. 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 May His favor be upon you and 1,000 generations, and your family and your children and their children and their children. May His presence go before you and behind you and beside you, all around you and within you. He is with you, He is with you. In the morning, in the evening, and you're coming and you're going, and you're weeping and rejoicing. He is for you, 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 He is for you.
So for this song we're going to be using 4 chords from the C chord family. We have the C chord, we have F over C, and F over C is just a nice alternative to the traditional F major chord in the C chord family. And then we have A minor 7 and G. In terms of progressions, this song is pretty simple because each chord is just going to be lasting for a measure pretty much for the whole song. So that makes transitionings fairly simple. For the strum pattern, we're going to be using the hyperdrive pattern, which is an 8-beat strum pattern. So we're going to be having 8 down strums, and then at the very end we're going to have an up strum after beat 8, and then that pattern's going to repeat. But one thing that's very important about this pattern is where we put the emphasis. We need to make sure to emphasize beats 1, 4, and 7. And that just means we're going to strum harder on those beats, 1, 4, and 7, and softer on all the other ones. So I'm just going to hold my C chord and play through that strum pattern so you can hear what it sounds like and see what I'm talking about. Now, since I'm playing the C chord, another thing that you need to remember is that I'm not going to strum the low E string for the C chord, so I need to start my strumming on the A string, okay? In fact, all the chords for this song don't use the E string except for the G chord. The G chord is the only one that's going to use all 6 strings. All right, so here we go with the strum pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1. All right, I hope you found this lesson useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.